हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो गाइस। एंड आज मेरे साथ है द ऑल न्यू सुजुकी बर्गमैन स्ट्रीट स्कूटर जो इस 2026 में अब फेसलिफ्ट हमारे सामने देखने को हमें मिल रहा है। In this quick video, I will give you a quick walk around of the all new scooter. I'll give you all the details on what all has changed and what has remained the same as well. So stick around. So let's start with the design of this all new Bergman. अब जैसे डिजाइन में आप देख सकते हैं the front has been completely redesigned. जो highlight हो रही हैं यहाँ पर चीजें वो हैं ये integrated dual LED headlamps that also get a DRL element right there. और ये एक बड़ी सी smoked windscreen which will come in really handy out on the open roads or expressways or something like that. Now the Bergman is known as one of the maxi style scooters that come under a budget and is a pretty popular scooter for Suzuki. Suzuki ने 2018 में स्कूटर लॉन्च किया था एंड तब से they have sold over 1.1 million of these. अब इधर नीचे आपको देखने को मिलेगा the 12-inch alloy wheel with the front disc brake. 12-inch alloy wheels is there at the rear as well. Here is the rear quarter panel. Again redesigned. इधर आपको देखने को मिलती है Bergman Street की badging. A pretty wide floorboard is there and also here is the new handlebar. Now the scooter that I am showing you right now is the base model which gets this 4.2 inch screen. Higher model में 4.2 inch की TFT display मिलती है with connected features. Now Suzuki also has spoken about this long and wide seat and says that it is pretty comfortable. We will only be able to share our experience of the seat when we get to ride the scooter. Now the scooter has been completely redesigned at the rear as well. पीछे आपको देखने को मिलेगा ये नया LED tail lamp unit along with LED indicators flanking it on the side. यहाँ पर है आपका flip open external fuel lid cap जो इस smart lock के through आप खोल सकते हैं. Push it on the right, it opens up the flap for the fuel lid. Now after the fuel lid, let's go back to the smart lock system, turn it to the left and here it will reveal the increased under seat storage capacity of 24.6 लीटर. अब ये कैपेसिटी पिछले स्कूटर से इंक्रीज कर दी गई है जिसमें थी 21.5 लीटर की स्पेस एंड सुजुकी टेल्स अस कि एक फुल साइज्ड फेस हेलमेट भी इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकता है अपने अंदर. इधर आपको एक मिल जाएगा कबी होल दैट ऑल्सो गेट्स a USB charging point that you can see lit up right there. And apart from that, you get your pass switch here and of course indicators, horn and the self start button right up there. Now let's move on to the technical specs for the 2026 Suzuki Bergman. अब देखिए इस स्कूटर में for this time around Suzuki has made a couple of changes. First of all, the scooter is 500 grams lighter than before. इसका इंजन है वही 124 सीसी का एयर कूल्ड इंजन यूनिट जो इस स्कूटर के अर्लियर मॉडल में हमने देखा है, बट उसमें टॉर्क आउटपुट इंक्रीज हो गया है टू 10.2 न्यूटन मीटर्स एट द पीक. और उसके अलावा पावर आउटपुट रिमेन्स लार्जली द सेम अराउंड द 8.2 हॉर्स पावर मार्क. Overall, the scooter has been launched in two different variants, the Ride Connect and the Ride Connect TFT. दोनों ही variants में 5 different color options का आपको option मिलेगा in the new Bergman. Apart from that, we will give you more information about the scooter and insights when we get the chance to ride it. तो ये था हमारा walk around video of the newly launched Suzuki Bergman Street. In terms of pricing, इस scooter में 2 different variants Suzuki ने ऑफर करे हैं which are the Ride Connect and the Ride Connect TFT. The base model retails at rupees 1.01 lakh ex showroom and top model with the TFT screen gets a price tag of rupees 1.13 lakh ex showroom. And if you are a fan of the older scooter तो परेशान मत होइए because that is also still on sale at a price of around 1.07 lakh ex showroom. Let us know what you thought about this new 125cc segment scooter in the comment section below. Like always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such content.